Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your headphones JBL Wave 300 TWS. Firstly, put your headphones to the charging case. Now it's disconnecting and remove it from the charging case. Now check it, maybe it help you, but if it doesn't, we should make a hard reset. So just double press on your headphones, on both of headphones, and then press and hold. 1, 2, and press and hold. Here we go, we hear a voice prompt. Now put it to the charging case. Then click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, also don't forget to click pair new device and then remove your headphones from the charging case. And now click on it. And if it also didn't help you, just charge your charging case. Maybe it have no batteries. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!